Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to group Outlook emails by conversation. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, log into your Outlook account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your main mail interface. Next, go to your inbox. Look for the mail icon or link on the page and click on it to open your mailbox. This will display all your email messages, and now it's time to organize them by conversation. To do this, focus on the top menu bar of the Outlook interface and click on View. This will open a drop-down menu with several viewing options. In that menu, select Messages. Once that's done, find and click on the Conversations option. This feature groups your emails based on the subject or ongoing thread, so you can see replies and related messages together in one place. After clicking Conversations, you'll see another menu or option appear. Go to Messages and then go to Group into Conversations. Click this option to activate the grouping feature. Now your emails will automatically be bundled together as conversation threads, allowing you to track discussions more easily. If you ever want to go back to viewing individual emails, you can revisit the View settings and select Messages again. And that's it. So that is how you can group Outlook emails by conversation. So that's all for this video. Thanks.